Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new product for my RAV4. I have a 2021 XLE RAV4. Let's get to it. In this episode I'm gonna do an installation for the automatic start and stop button. Has the automatic start and stop. We're gonna disable this with this product thanks to Cartrimhome. And this is just a little connector that goes behind the button. I remove my climate control. You just pull on each side, and the only way that I found on this one is to remove it starting from the top with a private tool. Just start prying without breaking it. I don't want to break it. I just want to remove the bottom because maybe later on I go back to stock, but I don't think so. Once I put the connector, I'm gonna disable this permanently. So it came out a little bit. I don't want to pull too hard because I feel like I'm gonna break it, but you just have to pry with the tool all the way around. Okay, I got the bottom out. I didn't break anything, so we fine on that. Now that I remove it, I can just put my tool on the side and start prying out the connector itself because I want to get it out. Hopefully I can get it out like that because I don't want to remove the whole thing. I have too much going on in here. On the top it has a little cutout. It looks like on the bottom too, so you can have a very small flat head screwdriver. Start prying out from here. Connection is done on both sides. Now I just have to put the face of the bottom, push everything in, and everything is gonna be done. Installation is super easy. Before I put everything together, let's see if it works. Let's start the vehicle. And it's disabled automatically. It went off already, so it works. Now I can put everything back on it and we don't have to worry about that bottom anymore. Let's see what happens if we press it. It turned it off. It disappeared from the dash. We press it again, came back on. Installation is done. Let's see what it does once we start the vehicle again. Automatically goes off. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it with this. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get this for your 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4 with the automatic start and stop button. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.